Mary. I'm the Tween Teen Librarian here at the Huron Public Library. And thank you for agreeing to do this. Why not make a difference making a dog treat that will be taken to the Humane Society? You will need oatmeal, cinnamon, creamy peanut butter, and a 1/4 cup water. You will also need a measuring cup. You'll need 1 cup and then another 1/4 cup. And how you can tell is the measuring cups have the measurements written on it. This one has a 1/4 cup. This one on the bottom has 1 cup. You will need a mixing bowl and you will need a teaspoon. A teaspoon is different than the tablespoon. A tablespoon is big. You will need the little one, the teaspoon. You will also need a mixing spoon, which a tablespoon is good for. And then one last thing you'll need is a spatula. This is good to get the peanut butter out of your cup, so make sure you have one of these. And then the end result will go in a baggie. So this is what you need, and we'll get started. Here is the recipe. It's a no-bake dog treat. And here it tells you the amounts you need. 1 1/4 cups oatmeal, 3/4 cups peanut butter, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 cup water. We're going to start with the oatmeal. You need 1 1/4 cup, so I'm going to fill the 1 cup with oatmeal. I called ahead to check with the Humane Society and I gave them the ingredients of what I was going to mix in here, and they were good with it. I wanted to make sure that all the food that is going to the animals is healthy. And next is the 1/4 cup. Again, make sure that it says a 1/4 cup and you fill that one up. And there we go, and let's dump it in. So that made 1 1/4 cup. The next step is adding the peanut butter. The peanut butter, it needs 3/4 cups. I have 1/4. To get 3/4, I'll have to refill this 3 times and put it in the bowl. I'm going to use my spatula. It's just easier to scoop and kind of mush it in there. I think this is what makes the treats the part that the dogs like. They really like peanut butter. Well, my grandpuppy does. Now I'm going to put in another one. So again, I keep going, and the trick for this is to make sure you remember how many you put in. This is a good way to get to know the size of measuring cups and kind of to figure out how to do the math in your head. It's kind of a secret way of getting math into you. Okay, and one more scoop. That's the 3/4 right there. I'm going to take and go like this. Whoops. And then we're going to scooch that in there. Okay, after the peanut butter, we're going to add the cinnamon. The cinnamon is a little tricky because I have 1 teaspoon and you need a 1/4 teaspoon. So you kind of want to imagine this being cut into 4 parts, and you just fill up one of the 4 parts. So that's a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's put that in there. And then last but not least is the water. And again, you need 1/4 cup water, and it's okay to use your 1/4 cup if it's dirty. It won't make a difference. But fill the 1/4 cup with water and try not to go overflow it. And there you have it. You have all your ingredients in your bowl, and we're going to take and stir this up. When you do the cinnamon, make sure that you get that blended in because you don't want to surprise your dog by a great big mouthful of cinnamon. Okay, we have it stirred up I'm going to form these into little balls now. And it doesn't really matter. You can do big balls or little balls because they will be given to the right size dog. And I'm making this one about the size of a ping pong ball, but that would probably be for a little or a bigger dog. You want to take, and if you want to make it for a Chihuahua, you would just make it smaller since they have littler mouths. It depends on what size dog they serve it to. This is the part where you get your hands dirty. It's supposed to be the fun part. I don't find it fun because I don't like getting my hands that dirty, and this is gooey. You will drop them off at curbside pickup tomorrow between 11 and 2. There will be a tote outside. It will probably be under a table to try to keep it cooler. I will check it out throughout the day and make sure that I get these in the refrigerator so they do not sit out in the heat. So, and I'm about done here. You can just bring them in your baggie and return them to me. Oh la la, you made a difference. Thank you for doing the summer reading program. I'm Mary, and we'll see you next time. Bye.